Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most exciting and talked about topics in the tech, machine learning. You have probably heard this term thrown around with things like AI, ChatGPT, self-driving cars and even Netflix recommendations. But what exactly is machine learning? Let's break it down in simple human language. Alright, imagine you are teaching a kid how to recognize fruits. You show them a bunch of apples and say, these are apples. Then you show some bananas and say, these are bananas. After seeing enough examples, the kid starts recognizing fruits on their own. That's basically machine learning. We teach computers to learn from examples instead of giving them step by step rules. So instead of telling a computer, if it is red, round, and small, it is an apple, we just feed it lots of data, pictures of apples and bananas, and it learns the patterns automatically. That's the magic of machine learning. So, in one line, machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence where computers learn from data to make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Let's look at it with some real world examples. Netflix recommends what you might like next based on what you have already watched. Google Maps predicts traffic patterns and suggests the fastest route. Spam filters learn which emails are junk and which are important. Voice assistants like Alexa or Siri learn how you speak to respond better over time. All of these are powered by machine learning models trained on tons of data. Here is how it works. Just a simple overview. Machine learning typically happens in three steps. Data collection. Gather lots of data like images, text, or numbers. Second, training the model. Feed the data into an algorithm so it learns patterns. And finally, prediction. Once trained, the model can make predictions or decisions on new unseen data. For example, if you train a model with thousands of cat and dog images, later it can correctly identify if a new photo has a cat or a dog. So types of machine learnings, let's explain briefly. So there are mainly three types. First, supervised learning. So these are the models learn from labeled examples like this is a cat, this is a dog. Second one, unsupervised learning. The model explores data without labels. It tries to find hidden patterns like grouping similar customers together. And reinforcement learning. The model learns by trial and error, like teaching a robot to walk or an AI to play chess. Here is why machine learning matters. Machine learning is everywhere in healthcare, finance, entertainment, even agriculture. It helps us make data driven decisions faster and more accurately than ever before. And the best part, we are just scratching the surface. As data grows and as computing power improves, machine learning is going to become an even bigger part of our everyday lives. So that is machine learning in under 5 minutes. As systems that learn from data, improves over time and powers the smart world we live in today. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, share it with your friends and subscribe for more bite-sized tech explainers like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.